Okay everyone, we are going to create this transition here. Let's see what we created. Let me just cut that and paste it here and delete this for you to see the transition. You see, it's something great, and it's a little hard how I create it, but it's also a little easy. Let's try to create it. At first we need a blank space. We are going here, format background. We apply to all. The background is a picture that we downloaded. You can download it also. And after that we copy the text, paste the text here. Before doing something to text, we create a shape rectangle and make it white. Let me increase it in size and just make it white and no outline. Then send it to back. Now put your text in the center, just in the center. How? Align center, align middle. Now go here, increase it in size and choose a good font for it. You see, my font isn't changing because you need to select all of this. I don't know why it gave us crash. Okay, select all of this and go for a font. For example, it's going to be something that gave you the hint you want. You see, we have lots of fonts. You can also affect them, see them from here and choose. For example, this is a good one. Let me just increase the size of C. Okay, now we increase the size of all of it. We go to shape format and gave a great outline to it. Now we just need to align it center, align middle. Now everything has been created. What we need to create, we need to create the transition effect. How we do that? Let's say we have a slide here. Insert a new slide. We need to create a transition. For transition, we go to shapes and rectangles. We select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a little bigger. Okay, we select all of them, go to shape format and set the outline to none and the color slight background fill. Okay, you see, it's shape outline not none. Now it's none. Now we just need to select all of them, bring them out. But it's better for doing our work. It has a solid color. It's easier for our work to done. We just need to distance them one by one. Okay. Some of you may ask now, how should we distance them? But we have our ways. I will tell you now. Let me just create the thing. Now we put this here and select all of them, and from here we put them here. Now we select all of the shapes and set the shape format to, can you guess, to a slide background. Now we copy them and paste them here. Now we copy and paste it, and in this slide we select all of them, all of these shapes. One of them is here, and we go to align and align them center, and then bring them to here. But before bringing them here, we must bring it to front. Bring it to front. Now wait a little, put them here, change the font to white. Now we have a problem. Can you guess what is the problem? The problem is that it's really easy to solve and also hard to solve. Okay, the system crashed. Wait a little for it to fix. Okay, it fixed. We just press Ctrl and make them increase in size. No, we don't need them. We need them. We need to increase them in size a little. Okay, now we are good. Now we just set the transition to morph. And let's see what happened to our slide. You can also just a little put that upper and reduce it in size, and then look at your slide. You can also change the transition time from here from 2 to 4. Now your slide is looking better. It's amazing. Don't forget to ask me if you need anything in the comments, and please like and subscribe. Have a nice time.